Comets and asteroids are the cosmic objects that constantly hover around the endless space of the universe. However, different from each other, comets and asteroids are commonly mistaken as the same materials. Comets are space rocks that are frequently seen propelling outside the solar system. Because of the uncontrollable trajectory, comets are always charted to have a wide elliptical orbit. The composition of the comet is stunning, as they carry ice materials that compare to normal ice on Earth. Asteroids, on the other hand, are usually found in their cosmic nursery known as the Asteroid Belt. The Asteroid Belt is scattered just between the red planet Mars and the Titan orbit Jupiter. The cluster of asteroids orbits in the space parallel to the two nearest planets. Asteroids are known to have dry and stony physical composition. Asteroids are also rare in gaseous state and rarely participate in cosmic activities involving gas. According to a study, a new space rock was found to have properties comparable to both comets and asteroids. The rock was named 2005 QN173 and was surprisingly charted at the inner regions of the asteroid belt. The new Comet asteroid space rock was found to be hiding among the million asteroids and the solar system boundary. In addition, the rock seemingly mimics the orbit movement of the planets around the Sun. Among the notable observations gathered from the 2005 QN173 is the rock's ability to emit gas similar to the comets. The activity was captured as the space rock was propelling towards the nearest space from the Sun called the perihelion and exhibiting a cometary trail. The unique activity of the space rock indeed resembles both a comet and asteroid's characteristics. Comet-asteroid hybrids are super rare to find in the galaxy. About 20 of these objects are only contained from over 500,000 main objects in the asteroid belt throughout the previous astronomical studies. The behavior of the object from the asteroid belt is most probably due to its contained ice material that had sublimated. The expert added that based on the observation from the new space rock hybrid 2005 QN173 could be considered both a comet or an asteroid. Either way, the space rock is part of the main asteroid belt and appears to have cometary properties, so that it could be both of two. The physical structure of the rock had ice, can emit dust trails, and undoubtedly orbits a massive asteroid belt. So what do you think? Is it a comet hybrid or a comet stuck in the formation of the asteroid belt?